Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in Weverse account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. You can see over here, Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is tap on this option, join or login. Now you'll be led to the sign up or login interface of Weverse. If you already have the account, you'll be able to sign in to your account. If you do not have the account, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. You'll be able to find the sign-in methods like email, X, Google and Apple. You can simply tap on the sign-in method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So what you have to do is enter the email with which you created your account. After doing that, tap on this option, continue with this email. Now you'll be able to enter the password over here. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. Now after you enter your credentials, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in Weverse account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.